ATAC Certification Consultancy Complete Guide for Manufacturers URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to another informative session from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. If you are a manufacturer, exporter, quality professional, project engineer, consultant, or someone working in the oil and gas, chemical, pharmaceutical, mining, food processing, or industrial equipment sector, then this video is especially for you. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important certifications for manufacturers supplying equipment to hazardous environments, the ATAC certification. Many companies manufacture excellent products, but when they plan to export to Europe, they face a common challenge. Their products are technically sound, but they are not compliant with ATAC requirements. Without ATAC compliance, products intended for hazardous areas cannot legally be placed on the European market. In today's video, we will explain what is ATAC, why is ATAC certification important, which industries require ATAC, which products require ATAC, what are hazardous area classifications, what documentation is required, how can URGS help manufacturers achieve ATAC compliance. So stay with us till at the end because we will also explain how your organization can successfully prepare for ATAC certification. What is ATAC? ATAC stands for Atmospheres Explosibles, which is derived from the French language. ATAC refers to European regulations that ensure equipment used in explosive atmospheres is designed and manufactured safely. Explosive atmospheres may occur where flammable gases, vapors, mists, or combustible dust are present. Examples include oil refineries, gas plants, chemical factories, pharmaceutical industries, paint manufacturing, grain processing plants, sugar factories, coal mines, hydrogen production facilities. In these environments, even a tiny electrical spark or excessive surface temperature may trigger an explosion. ATAC certification helps eliminate these risks. Why ATAC certification is important? ATAC certification provides several benefits. First, it protects human life. Second, it protects expensive industrial assets. Third, it reduces operational risks. Fourth, it improves customer confidence. And most importantly, it allows manufacturers to sell products across European Union countries. Without ATAC compliance, many European buyers simply cannot purchase hazardous area equipment. This makes ATAC an important business opportunity for exporters. Industries covered under ATAC. ATAC applies to numerous industries. These include oil and gas, petrochemical, chemical manufacturing, mining, pharmaceutical, food processing, cement plants, battery manufacturing, hydrogen projects, LNG and LPG plants, paint industry, steel plants, power plants, water treatment, waste management. Any location where explosive gases or combustible dust may be present requires ATAC compliant equipment. Products requiring ATAC certification. Many industrial products require ATAC compliance. Examples include electric motors, junction boxes, control panels, explosion-proof lighting, industrial fans, pressure sensors, temperature sensors, transmitters, cable clamps, solenoid valves, electrical switches, control stations, instrumentation equipment, communication devices, pumps, compressors, industrial connectors, battery systems, industrial cameras, gas detection systems. If your product is installed inside a hazardous area, ATAC requirements should always be evaluated. Hazardous areas classification. One of the most important concepts in ATAC is hazardous area classification. For gases, Zone 0, explosive atmosphere is continuously present. Zone 1, explosive atmosphere is likely during normal operation. Zone 2, explosive atmosphere occurs only occasionally. For combustible dust, Zone 20, continuous dust atmosphere. Zone 21, dust likely during normal operation. Zone 22, dust appears only under abnormal conditions. Proper zone classification is essential before selecting equipment. Attacks equipment categories. Equipment is classified according to protection level. Category 1 suitable for Zone 0 and Zone 20. Category 2 suitable for Zone 1 and Zone 21. Category 3 suitable for Zone 2 and Zone 22. Selecting the wrong equipment category may result in unsafe operation and regulatory non-compliance. Attacks documentation requirements. Proper documentation plays a major role. Typical documentation includes technical file, risk assessment, explosion protection documentation, equipment drawings, electrical schematics, bill of materials, material specifications, test reports, equipment marking details, user manual, quality management documents, declaration of conformity, manufacturing records, inspection reports. These documents demonstrate that the equipment satisfies ATACS requirements. ATACS certification process. A typical certification project follows these steps. Step 1 product review. Step 2 application standards identification. Step 3 gap assessment. Step 4 design review. Step 5 risk assessment. Step 6 technical documentation preparation. Then comes step 7 product testing. Step 8 factory assessment where applicable. Step 9 review by an EU notified body. Then at last step 10 issuance of certification. Every project differs depending upon product category and applicable directives. Now how URGS International can help. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide complete consultancy support for ATACS compliance. Our services include ATACS gap assessment, technical documentation review, hazardous area classification support, explosion risk assessment, equipment design review, technical file preparation, ATACS marking guidance, quality management system support, coordination with international testing laboratories, support with EU notified bodies, factory readiness assessment, internal audits, technical training, awareness programs, project coordination. Our objective is to simplify the entire ATACS compliance journey for manufacturers. Instead of struggling with complicated requirements, our experts help organizations prepare efficiently and professionally. Why choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International because of our strong experience in ISO certification consultancy, third-party inspection, supplier audits, quality assurance, manufacturing process audits, technical documentation, industrial training, international compliance. Our team understands industrial manufacturing processes and international standards. We work closely with organizations from project planning through compliance readiness. Whether your company manufactures electrical equipment, process equipment, instrumentation, control systems, or industrial assemblies, URGS International can support your ATACS compliance journey. At last, conclusion and call to action. ATACS compliance is not just about meeting regulatory requirements. It is about protecting people, ensuring operational safety, improve product quality, and expanding into international markets. If your organization manufactures equipment for hazardous locations and want to enter the European market, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with professional ATACS consultancy services. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are available 24/7 on WhatsApp. Please contact us first through WhatsApp for your query. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more expert content on international standards, certification consultancy, inspection services, industrial compliance and global market access. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.